plank, pulley, and rope. These are the helping material that we provide. Yes?
Yes, sir, sir.
Because परेशान भी करना है, मदद भी करनी है, दोनों चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, है ना? तो दूसरा तरीका आसान क्या होगा, मुझे यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाना है, बीच में आप नहीं जा सकते, पैर रख सकते, आप जंप नहीं कर सकते, हेल्प मटेरियल तो आप प्लैंक लगाओगे, अब प्लैंक नीचे नहीं लग सकता, तो ऑब्वियसली कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स हम बना देंगे जो स्ट्रक्चर्स आपके लिए एक्सेसिबल होंगे, राइट? बट अगेन जिंदगी इतनी आसान तो नहीं हो सकती, थोड़ा तो मुश्किलात है नहीं, तो हम क्या करेंगे, उसमें कलर्स डाल।
Okay.
वाइट कलर इज इनबाउंड टू यू, टू द हेल्पिंग मटेरियल एंड द लोड.
Okay.
The blue color is inbound only to you, and red color is out of bound for all the three.
अच्छा.
मालूम है आज तक ये लोड क्यों दे रखा है?
मेक लाइट.
थोड़ी तो मुश्किल बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. So it is a combination of मुश्किल आसान, and how you are able to cope up with these challenges which will come.
Sir,
Okay? Yeah.
there is only one load, or everybody carries one load.
There's only one load. You want 9 drums?
No,
sir. No, sir. There's only one load for progressive group task, half group task, command task, fan group task, one load. Load is of the group. Command task, load will become of the
Commander.
Good. है ना? Yes. Make sense? Okay. So once we keep progressing ahead, what will happen is, ये आप जैसे जैसे आगे जाओगे, आपके सामने वो solutions निकालना उतना ही मुश्किल और उतना ही आसान होता जाएगा. As the name suggests, it is progressive group task. क्या मतलब हुआ? Progress. So we are progressing from simple to not so simple. There is nothing difficult in armed forces, है ना? There is no obstacle for armed forces. Yes? Yes, sir. है ना सभी को? Yes, sir. Good. आज थोड़ी सी आवाज़ निकल रही है, मुझे लगा आज सुबह के सेशन के बाद चाहे आवाज़ डाउन होगी सती. Anyway, so as you keep moving ahead, you'll find that, but फंडा सेम है. Pivot, counter it. Fulcrum, counter it. ये एक आगे जाएगा, पीछे से उठने से उसको
रोकना.
simple. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, anybody?
No, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Will we try one?
Yes,
sir.
Straight line. रूल तो बनते रहेंगे. रूल बनते टूटने के लिए नहीं ना?
नहीं. Follow करो.
Follow one. 2 more rules. One is rule of infinity. That is start and finish line as you would be seeing them. They are marked till here, but you have to assume they are extending to left and right till infinity. Meaning that they are parallel and they do not meet each other. They do not meet each other. Yes, intersect. Correct. That means that you can't just cut them and go to the next obstacle. You'll have to go from here. Okay. Can you stand here?
Yes, sir.
Can you stand here?
Yes, sir.
Can you stand here?
Yes.
भारतीय I want to squeeze something out of you. Till तुम आवाज़ निकलनी है, लेक्चर में भी नहीं निकल रही.
Sir, पटेल.
Sorry, पठित. But समझ तो आ गया ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Can you stand here?
Yes, sir.
Only. Can you stand here?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you stand here?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
तो ये तो
Yes, sir.
देखो सिंपल सी चीज़ है. You can stand here and you can also stand down.
Yes, sir.
Can you keep your helping material here?
Yes, sir.
Can you keep your load here?
Yes, sir.
Can you keep your helping material here?
No.
No, sir.
Can you keep your load here?
No, sir.
Can you hold the helping material and stand here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, करंट नहीं लगेगा, चिंता मत करो. Okay? And from start line to finish line you have to move. Okay? Similarly, we'll keep progressing ahead. So today, without any interference, nobody talking to you, I'm just sitting here as an observer. Let's see how much time you take to complete the task. I think we should not be taking more than 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, the time starts.
I was to propose we to use the plank to get over the platform. But I think it is less than 4 feet. I'll jump and... we can use the plank. No?
Take that. Hold. No. You cannot do this. Anybody breaks a rule, then the individual concerned must go back to the state where he was just before the rule was broken. What does this mean? कि को कहाँ है अभी? Needs to be started. ये सब rules कम है. More than 4 है ना?
Oh,
put it together. अगर हम ऐसी कोड बुक बनाते हैं टेस्ट नंबर 14, फिर तो मतलब आसान ही रहती है ना जिंदगी.
I didn't know it, bro. On, guys. Okay, one by one. First to see sugar.
Start going. You, out of your 10 minutes, 2 minutes are over. You are at the first. You only asked for 10 minutes.
Collector, thank. Give up, your vehicle. Take some little.
30, bro, sorry. It also. Someone had to wait. I allow it this time, but you need to understand that one person cannot lift it up. He's not Pehlwan. Okay? The solution has to be workable for everybody. The last rule. Once you all have reached here, everybody has to reach before they start looking also in this direction. Okay? Just move. Okay. Now it will get interesting, huh?
What will go there?
Okay, so let's put this. It has also something.
We can shoot the plank here, and we can go to that platform over there. By jumping. Here. We should put the plank here, and one of us go there and take the plank plate like here. How? If you use it. No, from the bottom. On the bottom. Oh, we have a bit of that. I think he will drop. But boss here cracked it. Take a cash.
Okay, there is one important aspect that you are forgetting, which we discussed yesterday. You have to go from place A to place B. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Place A to... What is the shortest line between two parallel lines? Straight line or a perpendicular. So, rather than going zigzag, isn't it better that you come straight?
Yes, sir.
Makes common sense? Yes, sir. Okay, now we are fans of common sense. Okay. Yes, so we'll apply that. Now, friends, when I'm talking to you, I'm here to help you. So when I'm talking to you, you will listen to me. Otherwise, you'll again keep breaking rules and then I'll have to impose penalties. Sorry. Okay? So you have to go from place A to place B, as we discussed yesterday. So आगे क्या होगा? What will be ahead in the set of structures? Pivot. Bulk. Pivot or counterweight? Pivot. So see what can be the pivot and see what can be the counterweight. And the aim is that plank should be to optimize the length of the plank. The plank has to be parallel to the
perpendicular to the ground. To the ground.
Parallel to the. Yes, तभी तो optimize होगी ना. Perpendicular तो तुम हवाई जहाज बन जाओगे तो. चलो continue. कल हमने एक बात की थी बस इंटरेस्टिंग सी सर कटे मुर्गे की. All of you remember?
Yes.
Just number 14 was not there, so I just repeat for you. Are you non-vegetarian?
No,
pure vegetarian. Pure vegetarian. Have you ever seen a chicken? Never seen chicken being butchered? No. So I'll tell you what happens when a chicken gets butchered. What does a butcher does it? वो चिकन को ना उसमें डाल देता है बॉल एक ड्रम टाइप में, क्योंकि चिकन की जो लास्ट की जान होती है ना वो क्या होती है? फड़फड़ाता. अब मान लो चिकन को हम ग्राउंड में छोड़ देंगे तो क्या होगा? वो भाग जाएगा ना फड़फड़ाता हुआ. अब उसको पता नहीं कहाँ जाना है. तो एनीबडी हु कम्स अहेड and you have told him 3, 4, 10 times कि यहाँ से वहाँ जाते हैं जबकि it is blue in color and they have been telling you blue color नहीं लगा सकते. So we will not become a headless chicken.
Yes.
ठीक है? So when you are there, it's good to take initiative, but initiative without direction becomes
Unwillingness.
yes. चलो continue.
I would propose that we could use a flank. As we could use this as
This is a progressive group task, timed task. प्रपोज नहीं करना है तो तब से प्रपोज कर रहा है, करता कोई और है, कोई डिबेट नहीं चल रहा है. Just put it. लग जाओ बस, पकड़ो और लग जाओ.
and we should tie it.
दिखाओ जरा हाथ ऐसे करो. तो क्यों हाथ ऐसे करो? कहाँ है मेहंदी? नहीं है ना?
No.
तो लगाना
It is the balli.
Good. Okay.
No, not like that. I'm saying we could tie it. We could tie it loosely so it could be parallel to the ground. Okay.
उत्कर्ष इसी बात को जोर से बोलेगा ये सुनेंगे. तो सही बोल रहा है.
No.
नहीं आती.
No,
You are right.
I'm not going to.
Only thing is you are being very polite. इसलिए they are not listening to you.
Push it. There should be something here, or they'll just go sit. No, it will not, because if we go there, our cable counterbalance. Yes.
हाँ उत्कर्ष गुड अभी थोड़ा जोर से बोलना है इसी चीज को
Yes, sir.
स्टॉप ब्रेकिंग रूल्स नाउ फ्रेंड्स
Don't keep leg in the ground.
leg in the ground rope on the ground so be careful when you are performing these tasks very important ready run
Yes, this will work.
you got the camera safe
You can push it tight, no, better tighter.
tight second tight
Here, go to pursue. Here.
no soup stretch we have to stretch
Please, we can but take this and pull it. Pull it.
good so place the plank the way you want to the way what is there in your mind hold listen to me now I'm here to help you you are thinking that I'm the devil here I'm here to help you okay so you this way how many can move ahead
One.
only one are you sure
No, sir. Two of us.
only two except one correct except one everybody can come ahead but कितनों की जगह है यहाँ पे only two so let me help you out any two of you walk on the ground and move ahead any two of you walk on the ground and move ahead अब ये देखो this is headless chicken क्योंकि ये खाली हाथ क्या करेंगे हाँ गुड सत्यम you need to take the helping material no there's no use of this so we can take very good now if you take the load ahead then you reduce one of your resources उनके हाथ तो खाली होने चाहिए ना तभी तो वो काम कर सकते हैं 8 मिनट का रोयो
Purpose there.
2 मिनट बचे हैं तुमने 10 मांगे थे
Should go ahead.
what is the most important helping material in this entire scheme of thing
Plank and the rope.
उसके बिना जाओगे तो क्या फायदा होगा please think
I see. Slide. We should put the bully in between those both cylindrical things.
Yep.
And we should put the we should use that as a fulcrum, and we should put the plank between them. So if we go ahead, the flank would counterbalance out.
I don't know let's try
That bigger one. Yes. Okay. I was saying that, and we should use the plank in between them. He should have given that plank.
how do we get it here okay I'll allow one of you to take the plank go ahead give it to them and you can stand on the ground in the like 5 seconds
Just give it to them. Just hand it to them. Okay, the help. How? Yes.
so I asked I told one of you है ना so why both of you started standing on the ground why was he standing on the ground can somebody tell me why you had to
Pull it ahead.
the ground
Pull it ahead. Sir,
Hold-
my leg slip.
no your leg didn't
Your leg is slipped shut.
नकल के लिए क्या चाहिए
Agar.
तो झूठ तो सही से बोलो टांग स्लिप करके ऐसे थोड़ी रखते हैं टांग तो ऐसे स्लिप होती है फिर ऐसे हो जाती है ना यू डिड इट बिकॉज यू ट्राई टू पुट द प्लैंक फ्रॉम बिहाइंड तो उसके लिए तो तुमको आना ही पड़ता
Yes.
व्हाट वुड हैव बीन अ बेटर ऑप्शन
Sir, to put plank from here.
कॉमन सेंस नॉट सो कॉमन यस वो कर तो ना लेग नहीं स्लिप करेगी
Rope. No, there's no need of rope. You should pull it ahead. Just pull it ahead, and it will automatically balance. Just like that.
नाउ हाउ मेनी कैन मूव अहेड
All of except why it is counterbalance. Wow. Everybody could.
We will go there.
You know, there is no problem. You create problems. You know how have you created problems? Somebody rightly said कि एक जाएगा फिर वापस करेंगे जाएगा ऐसे ही तो होगा ना यार पे तरीका ही नहीं है कंटिन्यू
I think you could use the plank and go to there, and then you can go out. And then Aman would pass back the plank, and one of us would go
Any rule broken?
simultaneously. We can go
Any rule broken?
one after another.
Yeah. So what would have been done?
To extend it a bit.
Nah, yeah.
Extend it a bit more. Why didn't you extend it a bit more? जब आपको पता है आप रूल टूट रहा है तो why didn't you extend it?
Just a little more so it doesn't slip off.
Hey, he can hold it.
No. Lean on it.
Is there a requirement to hold the plank from behind? No. If the physical force is being used, then the solution is not workable. In this case, it is. Now, what will be the next step?
Aman, pass.
Utkarsh, let's make it a little interesting. You are injured now. You're not available to the. तो इसके बाद ऐसा ही है. चलो.
So just have to pass.
Not a punishment, you know that.
Yes.
Aman.
But if I don't raise your voice more, isn't it? Then I actually.
Pull it from that side. Go there.
I don't know.
Sir, can I put the plank too? May I put the plank? Balli.
May.
The balli is not a plank.
Yes, may I put the belly?
Yeah, please, you may. Cannot.
I'll go.
Josh.
It's heavy.
Okay.
More heavier than.
Okay. I have understood your idea. So let's say all of you will be able to come across this.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's.
But there will be somebody left behind there and here. No.
No, sir, no.
One
will left behind there.
One will be left behind. And why not there?
Somebody will have to counter that.
Somebody will have to stay there also. Not for counterbalancing amount. Somebody will have to stay because somebody will have to keep passing the plank ahead. And you have tied a rope which you have now taken it out. तो अगर रोप लगेगी दोबारा तो उसको निकालने के लिए कोई चाहिए होगा. Not let's take our mind back. कल हम गए थे बोट पे काम कर रहे थे. If you have to go from place A to place B in a manner that the helping material also reaches place B, where should the idea come from? Place A or place B? Place A. कल सारी रामायण उसके बाद पूछो राम जी कौन है सीता माता कौन. The idea has to come from place B. But Aman may not be able to execute it alone. So I'll allow one more person to walk on the ground and. So friends, your allotted 10 minutes that you asked me are over. So privately, this task is over for you. Don't worry, I'll give you a grace of 5 more minutes. Continue. You got 2 more obstacles to do. The plan. Doing sound.
Just repeat it.
Class, sir. You will not make any noise.
Any rule being broken?
For just don't let the rope touch the ground.
Okay. What did I just say?
Plan has to come from there.
See, you already. The plan has to come from there. तो फायदा क्या हुआ फिर तुम वहीं से प्लान कर रहे हो फिर रोप खोलनी पड़ेगी किसी को है ना.
come. Ask that.
I just want to see how you are able to get the last person. from there. Yeah.
Do it from there. Pass the plank there.
We could do a 4-foot jump.
Yeah, that. Nail. We'll just.
Like, let's hear what Divyanshu said. 4 feet.
No, I will say like we dare to there. Do to the here.
Okay.
Raghunath.
Just get it stuck there. Good.
Okay, doesn't matter. Chalo, continue.
Up to here.
Put it there. Let's take our minds back. If you have to go in the direction of move, wherever the direction of movement is, where should be the pivot? Ahead or behind?
Behind.
Behind.
Where should be the pivot, I said?
Ahead.
Ahead. Plank should come over the pivot or under the pivot?
Over the way.
तुम्हें सब पता है करते समय क्या हो रहा है. You know why this task is so interesting?
Rope.
You know why it is so interesting? Listen here. You know why it is so interesting? Because ना इसमें सिर्फ बातों से बात नहीं बनेगी, ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. And that is what the GTO also sees.
There's a loophole around here. It does differs.
What is the idea?
Just here tie the plank.
Okay, and this way he'll also be able to, the last person will be able to come out. Yes. Okay, I've understood the idea. So this way, if you alternate the arrangements, everybody will be able to reach there. Are you sure everybody?
Yes, sir.
Or there will be somebody left behind?
No, sir. Everybody. Because the one who will come here, he will untie the rope and he'll take this material with him.
How will he take this finish? Let's say you are the okay. All of you from the start line walk on the ground and move to finish line. There's something you've left behind. Something you. Okay. Let's say one is the last person. Then you also move. That key now.
One stronger can help.
Can help. He should help.
I think no. The idea, that's why I was.
That's why you are asking, and that's why we have created. Don't worry, friends. It is not workable. So I told you, in case you are at start and finish line and structures are not there, you can use physical force. But physical force should be used in such a manner that it does not cause injury. This way it will cause injury.
Yes, yes.
So what can be done? Can you use
Take the plank back.
36 chambers of Shaolin? Whosoever is watched it. Yes.
Yeah. Someone stands here.
Good. So this way, how many can move ahead?
Except
Except one, everybody?
yes, sir.
But okay. But the place is only for 2 people. So and any okay. Let's say chest number 6 and chest number 1. Walk on the ground and move ahead. Walk on the ground and move ahead. So खाली हाथ नहीं आना ना. मजा नहीं आएगा.
From that side. Load तो नहीं.
Not with load. Friends, load should be the last of your worry. Because it's a liability on
Now that 2 people have crossed, Jagannath, I can
ऊपर जल्दी जल्दी ले जाओगे उसको तो आप तंग करेगा.
the same.
ओके सरकटा मुर्गा नहीं होगा. पीछे से नहीं सुनना है, आगे से सोचना है. ठीक है, अपने आप सोचो, दिमाग लगाओ. यू मे बी राइट. पीछे वाले तो राइट होंगे ही. पीछे ऐसे खड़े होके मजा आता है ना सिकदर. ये कर दो वो कर दो क्योंकि गलती होगी तो उसकी
That
होगी.
may use a balli.
आना है आगे अपने आप.
Put it in there.
ये देखो रूल बीइंग ब्रोकन.
You put
Natural.
the.
Where is the sun? There is no solar system.
No.
There is no solar
I got
system.
it.
Sun,
You. Planet.
planet, and they are at
Dot.
door. Yes.
I think we should give that.
And use the plank to tie it up.
That's beautiful.
And then we'll bridge.
No need to tie it because that.
No. The pad. This front side is fulcrum. We have to tie it.
Yeah, you can always put it on. White in color, no? Yes.
Now put it. Jagannath, you can pass.
From the bigger.
Now you can walk forward. Now you can walk forward and jump.
George, keep doing. If I have to stop you, I'll stop you. Don't hold it from behind, Jagannath. Was there a requirement to jump so high, like a diamond in the sky?
Now you can pass the plank to us. So continue.
Yeah. So by alternating the arrangements, you all will be able to come ahead. Yes?
Yes.
But how many people will be left at the starting?
One.
How many will be left at this point?
One.
Go?
Yes.
Let's see. I've understood the idea. So what is needed now? For him to go ahead, we need now. Okay, test number 4. Please walk on the ground and come here. You have been a visitor for quite some time. मुझे पकड़ के लाना पड़ रहा है तुम लोग. खुद नहीं आ सकते क्या? आना है. फिर खाली हाथ आ रहे. You all are fond of Hrithik Roshan. खाली हाथ आए हैं, खाली हाथ जाएंगे. है ना? फिर rope like keep. Sacha, who will get the plank?
So we can tie the rope and can use the plank.
चलो करो जरा. नहीं, I don't know. You are the bosses. Don't break rules. Don't break rules. Don't break rules. क्या? की बात है टूटने वाले को पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि मैं तोड़ भी रहा हूँ अभी ना.
You cannot tie it with the blue bird.
Put the rope in bed. Fast.
Why really? They'll have to make a bridge with that and all.
I did.
Should firstly tie the rope in the white area. Tie it a little tight. So direct Jagannath, that will apply of night and then until then it's left.
No. Let them apply their.
The height of that small pool, right? You should tie at that height only.
Yes.
So at the lower height.
Over the small pole, the plank will be kept.
Not too low also that the plank cannot pass. Yeah.
Let us. Utkarsh, let us keep the plank first height, so that they get idea of the height. Tight.
And now they're gonna pass the tight. I think maybe it can't be. Now it can't be tight. There will be only one knot. Not like that. You should tie it in the middle only. In the middle only you tie. One, yes, tight. Just tight. Yes, stretch it from both sides. Argam used to help him. Argam, stretch the rope, hold it. Tight.
Okay.
Now go for another.
Listen.
Another knot.
This side has been a bit large from this. Should make it large. That's it.
Tight now.
Not like it.
So now the short tying keep it on. Pull. Equal on a first. From there. Both amateur pre if. Then we will hold it from the rope there. With the and we can move from here to there. Yeah. And then we'll the plank there and get on the rather than mold. Can you put the boot on down? What
Now we can use like plank. Plank can be used out here, na?
Don't touch the gym part. No, that plank card. Yes, put in there.
Get your legs.
Push it forward.
Even more forward. You can.
I think you can jump from there now.
Yeah. Yes. Less than.
First, here low love and jump. Ask something else.
With iron knock.
First, Jagannath. 6. He can't take the world. How's he?
Oh, plan you take. Well, it should be left low.
I think that knot should be both the side. It's healthy to single side.
Well, that is there any part of where in there is
Wait.
Don't tap it there. Tap it the last point. That's it. At the last point, so you know if it is balanced or not. How it can be? Now it's not. Just I'm telling you. At the blue part, you touch at the blue part.
Put it backward na.
Run with the second rope as well. Yes. We can tie the second rope with that particular. The second knot when we ride with the second rope. But it will take a lot of time. We only ride 2 minutes. So we are so very close. We are already in our great period of the grace period.
The best.
Oh. They're doing it in the mode of inefficiency. Madam, see. Leg staple.
Just walk and jump.
Walk a little train continue about to. You should walk and then jump.
Yeah.
Straight pass. Yes, it's good.
Right.
You cannot go there. No, you don't jump. Just slide and pass it back. Just slide the plank back. Yes.
Sometimes slide the plank back.
No, but how it, like, what if it won't work? Or now it have removed it.
Right.
Now, Margam, just pass it back.
Be careful.
Just be careful. Don't try to be strong. No, Jagannath, wait. Let a person come to you. No, you pass the rope back. Take the rope from you. No, not that rope. Pass it back.
तो फिर उनको अनलर्न कराना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता
Jagannath, see, you put the plank upside above this. So this would be the fulcrum, and then you will tie it with the balli.
है. Okay. That's it.
But the pile were not set.
We don't best.
This is already today. You can because stable. Our whole team can go like that.
Yeah.
Without the rope can be only utilized there only.
What one do you stay?
Yes, sir.
The main.
You pass.
Another to live pro there.
It is a really.
Okay. So you've been able to make sure that your friends are able to come across. Yes? I've understood the idea. So this way everybody will be able to go across?
No, lost it.
Why?
Yes, sir, we will.
You'll be able to go across. अरे बाबा तोड़ दिया तुमने मेरा टीवी.
Very टूटा है.
Divyanshu, I know you are taking it as a game, and the problem will be there also the GTO will be as polite, as congenial with you, and you will start thinking that he's like your friend, and that is where will you will go wrong. It's a formal interview. Behave as formally as possible. Okay? In your interest. Chalo, I've understood the idea, so this way you'll be able to go across, except one person who will be remaining behind there.
Yes, sir.
So how can he cross the way earlier one had crossed? Yes? All of you pick up the helping material, pick up the load, go to the start line, keep it there. Go on. Fast, run.
Oh, starting.
नहीं आया मजा? क्यों नहीं आया मजा? It's too difficult.
समझ गया. That I was unable to make ideas. Not all idea.
Unable to make out ideas, difficult because
Same, I also couldn't get any real ideas.
you gave ideas, yeah?
Yes, sir, but that still are not technique.
Friends, please understand this. Imagine there are so many students who will not even get access to these structures and availability. You are the ones who are lucky enough. So slowly and steadily, as you keep applying yourself, I tell you why you and handle with the viewer. Can somebody tell me why you are not able to give ID?
Talk me idea. You're doing it first time.
You're doing it for the first time, इसमें नहीं दे पा रहे.
Because not applying comments.
Yes. What is happening is you're looking at it like a puzzle, jigsaw puzzle. ये लगाया, वो किया, ऐसे किया, वो यार. And what is happening is everybody's opinion is coming into play. ये बोलता है वहाँ जाओ, वो बोलता है वहाँ जाओ. You need to work like a team, and that's not a puzzle. It's a problem. Problem में क्या है? आपको फलक्रम काउंटरवेट को देखना है. आपको दूसरे की ओपिनियन को भी देखना है. वो भी तो होती है ना सिचुएशन के पास. घर में भी तो आती है हमारे ऐसे कई बार प्रॉब्लम कि भाई आपको एक काम करना होता है, उसके दो तरीके होते हैं. एक कोई बोलता है, एक कोई बोलता है. फिर आप किसकी सुनते हो? ये कौन एक समझाने की कोशिश करता है? होता है कि नहीं होता? द प्रॉब्लम हियर इज नॉट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट गेटिंग आइडियाज, बिकॉज यू आर ट्राइंग टू शो योर आइडियाज आर बेटर देन द अदर पर्सन. अदरवाइज बड़े सिंपल से आइडियाज ही टुक इट आउट. यू आर जस्ट शोइंग कि मैं दिखाऊँ आइडिया. देखो पहले में नहीं आएगा. यू हैव नाउ अप्लाइड वन. हाउ मेनी आइडियाज यू अप्लाई? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 तो 2 में हो गए. अब 4 करोगे तो ज़्यादा होंगे. फिर ऐसे इतने सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं. आइडिया पे मत जाओ. अपनी अकल दिखावे में मत जाओ. अपनी अकल लगाओ. सुना है आइट सभी ने? हाँ या ना तो बोलो.
Close हो गया.
ओके, देयर इज अ स्लोगन, दिखावे पे मत जाओ, अपनी अकल लगाओ. अकल लगाने के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सोल्यूशन निकाल रहे हैं. मदद भी तो कर सकते हो आप. ये बार मदद करो, दो बार मत करो, तीसरी बार अपने आप आएगा. अब जैसे इसको बोला रोप देने के लिए तो इसने कहा वो बोला वो बल्ली लेके ऐसे सर गिर गए. You start behaving like this, so ideas थोड़ी आएंगे. What is happening is you are pulling others also down. You should be. Actually, there was no energy when you started believing. It is not कि तुम्हें आता नहीं था. अब ये तो सबको पता था ना कूदना है. क्यों नहीं कूदे? You were seeing कौन कूदेगा. और ये अपने चाय पे चर्चा शुरू कर दी उन्होंने. I suggest you do this. I suggest you do this. करना है. This is the difference. ग्रुप डिस्कशन, ग्रुप प्लानिंग में हम सिर्फ बोलते थे जितना मर्जी बोल लो, बंद गोभी. यहाँ तो सामने करके दिखाना पड़ेगा. बोलने से बात नहीं बनेगी. Yes? Yes, sir. Does not matter. Good that we are practicing it now so that you are able to do it. Understand what is required. Have you all understood now?
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood now?
Yes, sir.
चलो give me 10 push-ups fast. Fast. अरे मेरा तो वेट कर लो. ऐसे थोड़ी. तो what should we say with every push-up?
Counting.
Counting.
After that, then Josh.
After every push-up it will be SSB.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7. अब लास्ट 3 PGT. Okay? 8 9 10. अब लास्ट 5 for what are you called?
Ambikans.
Last 5 for Ambikans and last one तो जोर से Ambikans. Pencil man should come outside.
Yes, sir.
चलो.
It's got there.
1 2 और
चलो भाई.
ठीक है. Okay, relax. Take a 5 minutes break.